So check this out guys, you can actually make money right here with CPAGrip in conjunction with another cool and amazing platform called Amazon right now. And guys, with both platforms right here, we're actually going to be earning money right now, both with CPAGrip and also Amazon with the strategy I'm about revealing to you in this video. So I would like you to watch this video right now to the end and actually learn the strategy, replicate the same strategy and make some cool cash online. But before we go on to details of this video, if you're actually new to my channel OJ Marketing, I regularly create videos on cool ways to make money online, and supposing you like such kind of content, you can actually scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos right here to help you out. You may also want to just simply hit the like button to the video you're watching right now. You can subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all so as to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help actually boost your income online. Now, diving right ahead into the video of today, you may want to just simply go onto a CPA marketing platform of your choice. Now you can actually utilize platforms like Max Bounty right here. You can utilize platforms like CPAGrip, CPA Lead, or any CPA marketing platform of your choice. Now so far that platform actually has content locking capability. You can actually use that for the strategy and it's actually going to work. Now with CPAGrip, you can click on register. You're going to be brought to a page that looks similar to this, and you just want to just simply fill out your details right now on the form shown to you. Now you can actually fill out your first name, your last name, and basically focus on all the fields with the red asterisk signs to get your account created. After that, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out. Then you could click on register to get your account created. Now once your account has been created, you can then go on to logging into your account. Now as you can see right here guys, I'm logged into my account, and you want to come onto the page that looks similar to this. To get to this URL file locker section, you just need to come right here, select the monetization tools option. A drop down list will be shown to you of which you want to select the URL file locker. Now you'll be brought to a page that looks similar to this, and you can go on to clicking on create new URL file locker. You can agree to the terms of service. You can click on continue right now. You're going to be brought to a very cool page where you just simply want to just simply create a very cool and amazing content locker. Now what you're actually going to be locking in this content locking section should actually be very valuable to your audience, which is why we're going to just simply utilize Amazon right now to go on to getting valuable content. And you just want to just simply come onto Amazon and search for cool and amazing content. If you do search for content right here on Amazon, maybe I want to focus on one of these best sellers for outdoors and sports, I can just simply select this one right now. The page is going to load up. I'm going to just simply see much more details about that particular product. As you can see, this is a 10 kg or 10 pounds dumbbell for hand weight, and you can just simply see much more details. You can go for more higher weight right now, and once you actually just select any one of them, maybe you want to just simply go on to promoting this. You can actually do this in a very cool way that you're going to be earning also with Amazon right here. And to do that, you need to just simply come onto this website, which is called the affiliate-program.amazon.com. You can see the domain right here called the affiliate-program.amazon.com. Now with this particular platform called the Amazon Associate, you can just simply register to become an Amazon affiliate marketer, and you can do that guys in 3 simple steps. You just want to sign up for an account right now, recommend some cool products, and go on to earning online. As you can see, you can actually go on to earning up to about 10% of in associate commission from qualifying purchases and programs right now. And their competitive conversion rate helps maximize earnings. Now the cool thing about this guys is that if you actually do direct people to Amazon utilizing the unique affiliate link which you're going to be getting for each and every single product on Amazon, it is not necessary that they must purchase that exact same product which you are promoting. Maybe if I'm promoting this product, it is not necessary they must purchase this exact same product. Maybe they can come onto Amazon also using my unique affiliate link and go on to checking out other products. If they do purchase those products within 24 hours of clicking my unique affiliate link, I'm gonna get the commission for each and every product which they do purchase. That's the cool thing about Amazon affiliate marketing, and you want to just simply grab hold of this. Now if I do want to just simply promote this, you want to register to become an Amazon associate. After registering right there on your Amazon page, you'll be able to see a section that says Amazon size stripe in this particular left hand section of your screen. Now I don't actually have that right here because my Amazon associate account is currently deactivated, but you can just simply do that yourself and you'll be able to get a link for this particular product. Once you actually do get the link, you just need to head back to your CPA marketing platform and you can actually go on to lock in that in this locked content right here. Now supposing this is the link right now, you want to just simply go into the template section and just simply select a very cool template right now. You can use either the human verification or the captcha template. Head back to general. You want to give this a name right now. Maybe I could just simply put in something like Amazon products. If I do name it something like this right now, you can also go on to editing other details based on your preference. Once you're done, come right here, click on save, and your URL file locker will actually get created. Now once your URL file locker has been generated, click on get link, and you can see the unique affiliate link to promoting this. Right now you could copy the link, but you need to take note that we're not just going to be promoting this link just like that. We need to actually go into creating something that is called a landing page or a squeeze page. Other people may know that as a bridge page right now. Now you may want to just simply copy the link, go into creating a bridge page, landing page, or squeeze page, and you can utilize platforms like Google Sites, Systemi.io, GetResponse to actually do that. Now there are lots and lots of other cool and amazing platforms you could leverage for that right now. I'm not going to walk you through how to do that so as not to make the video quite too long. You can just simply head onto my channel right now, OJ Marketing, click on this search icon beside the community option, and just simply go on to type in a landing page. Once you successfully do type in landing page and click on enter, it's going to show you some cool and amazing videos I created that teaches you how to create a simple landing page for your CPA marketing offers or URL file locker. Now this one shows you how to create a landing page with Google Sites. This is with Systemi.io, this is with Webflow, this is with Breezy Cloud, and if you keep on scrolling through, you can actually see much more cool and amazing videos right now that I created that easily teaches you how to create landing pages for your CPA marketing offers or also URL file locker. Now once you do that guys and create a landing page that's linked to your URL file locker, you want to just simply promote that utilizing this very cool platform called Facebook. Now Facebook is an amazing platform that gets billions and billions of visits every single month. You want to just simply categorize or capitalize on that particular traffic which Facebook actually gets and utilize it as a form of advertising platform to get traffic to that particular link right there. And once you do that guys, you just need to come right here. Maybe I'm promoting something related to dumbbells. I'm just going to go on to searching for weight loss, fitness. If I do search for fitness right now guys, I'm going to be able to see a lot of fitness related groups. You can see this gym bodybuilder fitness. That is a very cool one that has about 10 plus posts per day, and that means that the group is actually active. Scrolling through, you can see this is for fitness lovers. This is actually for fitness gym workouts. You can just simply see lots and lots of amazing groups right now that are actually related to fitness. Now you can just simply go on to joining any of the group right now. You can target each group one at a time, click on that particular group, and you're going to be able to see much more details about the group. Now in some cases guys, you can just simply go on to writing a post without actually joining the group. Now you could just simply write out something like interested in gaining a free dumbbell or interested in purchasing a dumbbell for a very cheap rate. Just simply comment yes in the comment section, and if you don't type in something like that, a lot of people will actually be interested. If they do comment yes, you just simply send them the link to your CPA or your landing page right there that's going to link them to your URL file locker first. They complete an offer, then it takes them to that particular product, which if they do purchase, you also make some cool cash right there, both from CPA marketing and Amazon. Now this is a cool strategy right now. The reason for you asking them to comment in the comment section is because if you are promoting your link directly on that particular post, the admin might not actually allow that to be pasted, which is why you want to just simply utilize a different strategy by asking them to comment in the comment section. Now you could also go on to as many other groups right now that are available on this particular platform and actually go on to promoting your offers right there. Now if you do that guys, you'll be able to get lots and lots and lots of cool traffic to your offers and start getting some cool cash both with CPAGrip right now and also with Amazon right here, utilizing the Amazon Associate platform as an Amazon affiliate marketer. So I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any question guys, you can leave that in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.